what's up? Welcome to my channel. So for today's video, we are learning a TikTok dance. So before we get into it, if you guys happen to like today's video, please let me know by giving it a big thumbs up. And okay, without further ado, let's get into it. Okay, so to start this dance off, we're going to be facing the side, and what we're going to do is we're going to bring ourselves back to center, and we're going to step one foot forward and then bring the other foot in. So kind of doing a little bit of a big step, bring the other foot in. So again, ready, and step, step. And as you do that, you're going to imagine you're signing something, and then you're going to like hit it. Like you're signing it and then ending it with the dot. So adding that in with the footwork, we sign that paper, dot. One more time, ready, and sign the paper, dot. So we're here. Now you can have the other hand on your hip or leave it down. It's up to you. Now we're going to step our feet apart, and you're going to move those hips in a circle. So you're going to bring those hips around into a nice circle. So you're going to do that full circle. So you're here, and then you step out, and full circle, bring those hips back and around. And as you do that, you're going to imagine you're like eating pasta. So you're going to have one hand out like this, and then you're going to imagine you're just eating pasta or whatever it is. I like to imagine pasta because in the song it says pasta. So we're here, we step out, we're going to move those hips and eat that pasta. So it's for about 4 counts. You're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. So again, we're here, ready, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Nice. So taking it from the top, we're standing off to the side, ready, and sign the paper, dot, and 1, 2, 3, 4. So we just finished here for 1, 2, 3, 4. Next part involves hips, chest, and arms. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to break down the hips and the chest, and then I will show you guys what you do with your arms. So your hips are going to go back, and you're going to bring that chest out. So I'm going to face the side, so it looks like this. We're pushing those hips back, chest is out, and then you're going to bring it in. And it's nice and sharp and big. So it's out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in. So you do it 4 times. So a little bit faster. Goes 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's try it again. Ready, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Nice. I'm going to face the front, really pushing it back, out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in. And it's smooth. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. So as you can see, my legs are apart. I'm bending my legs. Let's try it one more time, then we'll add in the arms. Give it your all. Ready, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Nice. So your arms, they're going to go in front and then behind. And as you can see, my hands are in fists. So I bring it front, front, back, back. Let's try it again. Ready, and front, front, back, back. One more time. Front, front, back, back. Good. Adding that in with the hips and chest. Ready, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. I'm kind of bringing it low. So drop it low if you want. Let's try it again. Ready, and 1, 2, 3, 4. One more time. Then we'll try it from the top. Ready, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Whole thing from the top. Here we go. Get ready to sign that paper. Ready, and sign, and dot, and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. So next part, we just finished the 1, 2, 3, 4. You're going to bring your knee up, up, and we front, and then to the side. So as you do that, you're going to hop, hop. So try it again. Ready, and hop, hop. And your arm, you're going to have your elbow out. You're going to bring it down, down. So as you bring that knee up, you bring your elbow down. So try it with the elbow. Ready, and hop, hop. And as you're doing that, your other hand can go on your hip if you'd like. Or if you want to leave it down, that's cool too. Doesn't really matter. So taking it from the 1, 2, 3, 4. Ready, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we end up here. We're going to add a little bit more on, then we'll try it from the top. You're going to turn to your other side, nice and fast. It's kind of like a whip. And as you do that, you're going to have 3 fingers down, pinky and thumb out, and you're gonna pretend you're on the phone. So you're here, just did the 5, 6, 7, 8. And then we turn and bring that phone up to your ear. And your other hand can also be on your hip. And you're gonna have that front leg out in front and bent slightly, looking like this. So taking it from where we just finished, the 1, 2, 3, 4. Ready, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and turn. Nice. So we're here. Next part, you're going to imagine you're pulling something or grabbing it, bringing it in towards you. So you're going to grab, I'm using my back hand, grab, and then you're going to pull that in towards you and bring yourself to center. So you're pulling that in and bring it to center. One more time. So we're here. We grab, pull. One more time. Here, ready, and grab, pull. So taking it from the 5, 6, 7, 8. From there. Ready, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Turn and grab, pull. Let's take it from the top and then we'll add more on. Here we go. Ready, and sandpaper, dot, and pasta. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Turn and grab, pull. So we just did the grab, pulling ourselves into center. Now, you're gonna bring your hands out like this. Palms are facing down, and you're gonna bring them out, in. So it's like out and then slowly bring it back in. So it's like almost like something was like really hot. Ouch, and then bring it in. So again, out, slowly bring it in. As you do that, your leg is gonna go out to the side as well. One leg. It's gonna go out and then slowly bring it in. So kind of like what you're doing with your hands, your foot is doing it as well. So it goes out, slowly bring it in. Ready, and out, slowly bring it in. Good. So taking it from the phone, we're here with the phone call. Grab, pull, ouch. One more time. We're here, grab, pull, ouch. Bring it in. Okay, so this next part, which is also the last part, is a little bit faster. And when I say a little, it's a bit faster. The end is kind of where the speed picks up. So we just did the ouch and bring it in. Now you're going to flip your hands up, your palms are facing up, and you're going to go up on your tippy toes and going to go like this. Kind of like, who knows, kind of making like that kind of expression. So who knows, and then from here, your hands are going to go down, down. So you're pushing something down, hands are staying flat, down, down, then one hand's going to go behind. So we're here, who knows, and down, down, behind. So this part's fast. Ready, and who knows, down, down, back. Let's try it again. Ready, and who knows, down, down, back. One more time. Ready, and who knows, down, down, back. Now from here, the other hand is going to go on your hip after. Then this hand that's back is going to go to your forehead, and then it's going to go out, and then back to your forehead. So forehead, out, forehead. And you're going to kind of look off to the side as you do that, almost like you're noticing somebody. So you're looking at them, forehead, out, forehead. So taking it from who knows. Ready, and who knows, down, down, back, hip, forehead, out, forehead. So as you do the forehead, out, forehead, you're actually going to be moving your feet as well. And you're going to do a step together, step. So it's just going to be step together, step. So again, ready, and step together, step. One more time. Ready, and step together, step. Now adding that in with the forehead, out, forehead. Ready, and step together, step. One more time. With that footwork, ready, and step together, step. So taking it from the who knows. Ready, and who knows. Down, down, back, hip, forehead, out, forehead. It's hard to say it fast. I'll just kind of do the counts. Ready, and who knows. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. So let's take it from the 5, 6, 7, 8. From there. Here we go. Ready, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Turn and grab, pull, out, in, who knows. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And last little thing to add on, right after you do the forehead, out, forehead, with the step together, step together, step, you're going to turn your body and you're just going to kind of walk away. And as you do that, you can have your hands on your hips or your stomach, and you're just going to kind of tap your stomach or your hips, whatever you prefer. So we just did the forehead out, forehead, turn, and then you just kind of tap, tap, tap as you walk off. And that is the whole TikTok dance. So what we'll do is we'll run it a couple times. The first time we run it a little bit slower. And then the last time we run it, we'll run it a bit faster. So taking it from the top, here we go. Right about to sign that paper. Ready, and sign the paper, dot. And 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Turn, grab, grab, pull, out, in, who knows, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, tap, 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 tap. Okay, now last time, a little bit faster, here we go. Get yourself ready. Ready, and sign the paper, dot, and a 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Turn, grab, grab, pull, out. Who knows? 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and tap, tap, tap. All right, everybody, I hope you guys enjoyed today's new TikTok dance. Now, if you want to see this dance with the music, make sure to check out that link below. And if you guys liked today's new video, please let me know by giving it a big thumbs up. And thank you guys so much for watching and dancing with me, and I'll see you next time. Bye!